The puppy saw a trail of twinkling fireflies. It followed the fireflies deep into the woods. The puppy heard a stream singing softly far away. It came to the stream and looked up at the stars. The stars winked like playful little fairies. The puppy saw a sign on a rock. It followed the sign to a hidden path. The path led to a foggy area. The puppy opened its eyes wide to see the way. As the fog cleared, it saw a big old tree. Under the tree was a glowing pumpkin light.
Do you also want to create stunning children's storybook videos like this and start earning money effortlessly? Stick around, and I'll show you an incredible tool that does all the work for you. Fast, easy, and copyright-free. Let's dive in.
So first of all, go to ReadKidz' website. The link is mentioned in the description box below. Simply sign up using your Google account. Once you sign up, you will see this beautiful interface. Now if you scroll below, you will see some already made storybooks over here. And you can also use these as your templates or preview them. So let's preview one of them and see how they are created.
The Little Bunny's Moon Story. Once there was a little white bunny who loved the moon very much. Every night, he looked at the moon in the sky.
So this is like a storybook, and if you click on the arrows, it will swipe towards the next page like a storybook. So guys, this is literally so amazing for creating children's storybooks. You can create the same kind of storybooks from scratch. Let me show you how. So if you scroll above, you will see two options here. The first is create books and the second is create video. So first of all, let me show you how you can create your picture book like the one I showed you in the template. So click on it. Then you will see two options over here. You can choose a generation method that suits you best. One is the custom one and one is the template one. From the custom one, you can create the whole storybook from scratch by creating your own scripts and everything. And from the templates, you can choose the templates that I showed you previously as well. If you want to choose an already made storybook template, you can choose from here. You will see a huge library of already made templates over here that you can choose. Just click on any template that you want to use and you can first preview it. And if you like it, then you can click on use as template to start using this template for your story. But I will create my storybook all from scratch. So I will click on custom. Then you will see that you will get a lot of options over here. The first one is you can select text length from here. So I will select 5000 from here. Then you can select the age from here for what kind of storybook and which age group of children you want to create for. So you can select according to your preferences. Here I will select 6 to 8 years. Then you can select your story type, what kind of story you want. Either you want a bedtime story, fable, fairy tale, adventure, educational, mystery or realistic. So these are the options that you can select. So from here, I will select fairy tale. Then you can select the writing style of the story. Either you want a heartwarming story, nostalgic, empowering or educational. So this is the writing style that you can choose for your storybook. From here, I will select heartwarming. Then you can select the ratio of the book. From here, I will select a 16:9 size. Then here you can add a prompt to tell the theme of the story you want or what kind of story you want. You can describe it over here. You will also get some example prompts below that you can choose from. If you click on change, it will change the prompts for you as well. So I will choose this prompt and then you can also edit it if you want. Then I will click on generate. So here it will start writing my story. Okay guys, this seems so fun. I mean, I'm loving the whole creation process. It's giving me such nostalgic and cozy vibes, creating these kinds of stories for children. The process is so simple and fun. So do try it out. As you can see, it's writing this whole story for me here. So here, as you can see, it has created the whole 5000 word story for me, which is quite amazing. Wow. You can also make changes in the script if you want to add something. Okay, so once your script is done, simply click on next. So guys, the first part was creating the story, and now the second part is to edit the story. Here we can edit our story. You can see it's telling us the name of our characters. The main character is Princess Lily and the side character is Polong. It's also telling the gender and age group of these characters. Then here is the story. Now in the storyboard section, you can see the title of the story. You can edit the title of the story as well if you want. Then you can see this P1, P2, P3. These are the page numbers of the story. You can also edit the text or the story on these page numbers as well. You can also add some new pages here. The total number is 49 pages in total. You can also change the page numbers by dragging them up and down. So yeah, once you are satisfied with your storyboard, just simply click on the next button. Now we can choose the style of the story from here. You will see a lot of options that are given over here. You can choose the best style for your storybook. As my video is related to a princess, I will select something that suits the theme best. So I will choose this fantasy style from here and click on next. Now we have to generate images for our characters. As we had two characters, one was Princess Lily, who is a female, and the other was Polong. So we have to generate images for them. Click over here and the AI will start generating the images for them. If you want to edit the prompts for them, you can also click on edit and write a prompt over here. Select the number of images and click on generate. Now you can see it has generated 4 images. You can view them and select whichever you like. To be honest, I'm liking all of the 4 images. These are so pretty that I'm unable to select one from them. I mean, literally, I'm in love with this tool. How cute is this, guys? Okay, I don't know which one to choose. I love all of these images. Okay, so I will go with this one. Now for the second character, I will choose this one and click on next. So now you will see this page number 1, its prompt and its images here. Click on generate and it will generate your pages over here. Once all the images are generated for the pages, click on next. Now everything is done and this editor will open in front of you. From here, you can see that all the pages have been generated successfully, and guys, trust me, this is so amazing. Look at the quality of the images and consistency in the characters. This is so cute and so beautiful. I'm in love with how this tool generated the whole storybook. Literally, I am in love with the efficiency of the tool. This is a game changer tool for all the content creators. You can create children's storybooks and upload them on YouTube. You can even sell these storybooks and bring your creativity to the next level. Amazing. So from here you can edit the text, change the font, adjust the size of the text or change its position. Then you can also add a voiceover artist to your storybook. You can change the voice actors from here. You will see a lot of options. You can play and check the voiceover artist and select the best one for you.
Welcome to ReadKidz. We hope you'll create some masterpieces on this. Welcome to ReadKidz. Welcome to ReadKidz. We hope you'll create some.
Then you can add voiceovers to all the pages by clicking on generate from here. Then you can also add music or background music to your story as well. This is so wholesome and truly a one-stop shop.
The kindness of Princess Lily and Polong the dragon. In a kingdom filled with hills, lived Princess Lily with a big heart. While others waited for nights, she spread kindness and joy. She helped villagers and gave flowers to everyone she met. But in the dark forest lived Polong, a lonely dragon. With emerald scales, he looked fierce but only wanted a friend. One sunny day, Lily decided to explore the mysterious woods.
Once everything is done and you are satisfied with the result, click on the three dots and you can export your project. You can export the images as well, and if you want to export the entire storybook, click on Export PDF. This was simply amazing. Do let me know in the comments if you like it or not. Now let's move toward the second method, which is creating a video with one-click film. For creating a video, click on Create Video. Now you can write a prompt to describe the story you want to generate. You can either write your own prompt or choose an example prompt from the suggestions below. I will select one of these prompts and then click on Generate Script. Once you click it, the tool will generate a complete script for your video. As you can see, the script is being created over here. I'm loving how smooth and seamless this tool is. So now that our video script is ready, click on Next. Now you will see options to customize the visual elements of the video. First, select the image style for your video. You will see a variety of themes like cheerful, fantasy, or realistic. I will go with the cheerful theme here. Then choose a dubbing artist for the voiceover. You can play the sample voices from here and choose the one that suits your story best.
Welcome to ReadKidz. Welcome to ReadKidz. We hope you'll create some masterpieces on this platform. I'm your dedicated.
Now you can choose the caption font, add font effects, and select background music. Once all these elements are set, click on Next, and the tool will start generating your video. It will take around 10 to 30 minutes. But honestly, it's quite fast compared to doing everything manually. The AI generates an entire video for you with script, images, animations, voiceovers, and music all integrated. It's truly an all-in-one tool for creating professional quality content. Once everything is done, click on Next. So here, our video is ready. Let's play and check it out.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little town called Maplewood, there was a girl named Emma. Emma was excited because she was spending her summer at her grandmother's cozy house, surrounded by, you might find something special. With that encouragement, Emma skipped out of the house. As she wandered down the sunny streets, she noticed a boy about her age playing with a big golden R. Hi, Emma, she called out, waving enthusiastically. Hello. I'm Sam, the boy replied, a smile spreading across his face. He threw a stick for his dog, who dashed away with a joyful bark. Emma and Sam quickly became friends. And together, they explored every nook and cranny of Maplewood. One day, while playing hide-and-seek near the old library, they stumbled upon a dusty wooden chest. It had strange symbols carved into it, and Emma's eyes sparkled with curiosity. Do you think it's a treasure? Emma whispered, her voice filled with wonder.
Guys, this is so cute. I love the visuals and how beautifully everything is synchronized. This video is 12 minutes long, so obviously I cannot play the whole video here, but you can try it out yourself and create your own videos. You can download the video from here as well. That's it. If you go back to the home page, you will find a lot of storybooks created by other creators. I literally love this tool and how effortlessly it generates the entire video for you. You can create fresh content for children who are tired of classic stories, or you can customize personalized bedtime story videos. And if you guys want to earn money from YouTube, you can create a children's storybook channel and upload videos created using this tool. Start earning a good amount of money by providing engaging and original content for kids. The best part is that the copyright belongs to the creator, so no one can copy your videos and there's no copyright issue. You can commercially use the storybooks and videos as well. So it's a one-step generation process. No need for complex post-editing. It does everything for you. Multi-element video configurations like background music, transition effects, animations, and more. It's truly a one-stop shop for creating children's stories. I'm absolutely in love with this tool. The link is mentioned in the description box below, so check it out and let me know your reviews in the comments section. Also, feel free to share your creations with me. I'd love to see the amazing stories you create.
So that's it. The link to the website is given in description box. Do check it out and let me know your reviews in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye, my lovelies.